The markets are coming to a crossroads here on Wednesday. To the bulls, it's positive economic data coming on the reopening of the U.S. To the bears, it's heightened U.S.-China tensions amid Hong Kong protests. Now, for the equities, most of them went to the bulls today as the Federal Reserve's Beige Book was released this afternoon. That showed some really strong economic indicators picking up following light reopenings in parts of New York. Over to the bear side, though, Hong Kong has arrested over 300 protesters, so traders are taking that very seriously and they're hedging their bets. The U.S. dollar index starting to come back above its 100-day moving average. In the grain trade, it was a mostly mixed to higher day for corn and soybeans. The latest crop progress report was out yesterday afternoon showing states like Iowa and Nebraska almost done with corn planting, and they're also well ahead on their emergence of the 5-year average. Then we see states like North Dakota, only 54% of their corn is planted. That's definitely putting a drag and may take over 1 million acres out of the national corn crop if most North Dakotans without corn planted take prevent plant. Brazil's also starting to see some of their first COVID-19 cases in port workers. That's disrupting their supply chain and causing a spike in soybean meal prices. At the close, we'll see December new crop corn futures settle $334.5, while November new crop soybeans settle $855.5. July Kansas City wheat will settle $451 3/4, and July Chicago wheat will settle $504.5. In the livestock trade, it was mostly grain again, except for the first 2 months in the lean hog contracts. The best news on the day, all live cattle contracts are back above $1, a close we haven't seen in almost 2.5 months. We also see cash starting to trickle in the country, fully steady with last week. We'll see the June live cattle settle $1.80, August feeder cattle settle $1.3402, and June lean hogs settle at $60.17. That is a check here of your closing markets on this Wednesday, May the 27th. I'm Clay Patton. Have a great afternoon, and we'll talk tomorrow.